It is. Unreal. Oh, it's getting quite deep now. Another one that's stuck ahead, we can keep rolling.
Yeah.
Finnegan's looking a bit damp.
It is a wee bit. That's what I thought I'd have a shot of Finnegan.
So that big one's near Paratai as well. It's actually come up quite a bit since we left that one.
Mm.